Pretty strong today. I was surprised after they brought it down first thing in the morning. I was surprised to see it get ran back up. Remember weeks ago I was talking about this swoop, dragging it out past Labor Day and coming back up. This is my arrow up here. So I'm hoping that they hold it, buyers can hold it above 3 tomorrow. Because then next week we could see 4 and possibly a squeeze. The biggest thing is going to be getting above this 326 again and then head to that 370 mark. You get above that, I think shorts will cover. But it looks really good. I mean, if you take a look at the 4-hour chart, and you can just see in the volume right here through this whole uptrend, the volume just sporadic. There's definitely things going on, which you can tell from the movement, eh? Without a doubt, they wanted to push that down towards 250 today, but somebody just wasn't having it. There's a lot of volume, 30 million. Now is that shorts covering? Who knows, eh? But we'll have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. I'm going to keep this video short, but then maybe I'll do a video over the weekend after, see what happens tomorrow, and be nice to see him, you know, see buying be able to keep this above 3 tomorrow. That would be nice. That'd be very positive. I think people are, you know, institutions and even those analysts, so to speak, I think they're shocked. They're shocked that Fubo is staying up there. But, you know, you got a lot of things going on with other cable things and sports getting moved around, and, you know, so I think Fubo's in a good position. If you're long in this, you're in a good spot. That's for sure. You know, unless the company does something stupid. But definitely in a good spot if you've been long on this. A lot of buying opportunities when they ripped it down. I'm sure there'll be some yet. I just knew like yesterday, you know, you had that big rip down there. The RSI and a couple time frames were just way too high. That had to cool off. So I expected that, but I wasn't expecting the being up today. 37 cents. That's kind of a surprise. Somebody wants it to go north. So we'll have to wait and see what happens tomorrow. So I'll do another video over the weekend, I think. Well, after we see what happens tomorrow. But I got just quickly here. I'm loaded up with calls, but this morning they ripped it down, and oh my gosh, I don't know what happened, but I always have some off the wall bids in for calls or whatever, and I got some what the hell are they? November 17th. I only got 5 calls, but I think I got them for like 8 cents or 7 cents, 7 or 8 cents, something like that. And it filled. I couldn't believe it. I was like, wow. It was at like 13 cents the last time I looked. And so I got an alert on my phone that it had filled, you know. And that's just one I had thrown in there. I said, well, if it goes down that low, I'll add to that November 17th one. And I'll be damned if that didn't fill. And then it was like, I got the alert. By the time I looked it up, they were already back at 12 and 13 cents. How did that fill? I mean, we're talking minutes. Minutes from the time I got the alert when it filled to it was right back up. So it popped down, filled a bunch of orders, and popped right back up. So, hey, nothing wrong with that. I'll take it. So, all right, well, you guys have a good night.